This is lesson 13. Let's go ahead and see what our end file is going to look like. So here we have Museo Arte, International Collection of Arts. We're going to be making these buttons, gallery 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 8. And we also have this page, Museo Arte, tour of the museum. And here is our start file, where we're going to be placing our images. So let's put them side by side. On the left is what we're going to start with, and at the right we should have something that looks somewhat like this. And let's go ahead and double click on our start file, and there we are. We have our guides already set up with us for us, and we're going to go ahead and save. So file, save as, and go ahead and rename your file accordingly to our class requirement, which would be 13_.psd. I guess you could call it Museo Arte if you want, but there's no specific name for this file. Go ahead and save your file now.